Module 6, Lesson 1's objective is to generate and organize data. Item 3 says, use the tally chart in Problem 1 to complete the picture graph below. Taking a look at the directions, I see something really important that I'm going to highlight. I'm going to use the tally chart in Problem 1. I also see something below the picture graph area that is super important that I should highlight. It says that each square represents 2 students. That means that each square that is drawn, we will count by 2's instead of 1's. Now, looking at the tally chart in Problem 1, I can see that 6 students chose cats as their favorite pets. So, I will begin drawing my squares now and counting by 2's. 2, 4, 6. Let's see if I can do that last one again. Now, let's do turtles. 4 people liked turtles, so again, I'll count by 2's. 2, 4. 2 people liked fish. 2. And 8 people liked dogs. 2, 4, 6, 8. And 2 people liked lizards. 2. Item A says, what does each square represent? We know the answer to that because we highlighted it above. Each square represents two students. How many does 5 squares represent? Write a number sentence to show how you know. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 10. Another way I could say this is 5 groups of 2 equals 10. So, 5 squares equals 10 students. How many more squares did you draw for dogs than for fish? Write a number sentence to show how many more students chose dogs than fish. Well, let's answer the first question. And that one is, how many more squares did you draw for dogs than fish? Let's see how many I drew for dogs and fish. Those are the same, but these are all the extras. So, I drew 3 more squares. I drew 3 more squares for dogs than for fish. The next part of the directions tell us to write a number sentence to show how many more students chose dogs than fish. Well, I know that 8 students chose dogs minus the 2 that chose fish is 6. That's all for this page.